You can see here, as I said earlier, in the where statement, we have to give the result values only. So here, what are the result variable? Which variable we have the result values in the result variable, right? Previously, we have the result values in HBP, DIBP, and HR. So now the data was in vertical. We have the result values in the result variable. Okay. So in the where statement, we have to give the variable as results. So in the by statement, we have to give the remaining variables that we have to come in get in output. They are ID and variable, and the data should be sorted based on this ID and visit. Okay. Can see here we got the estimated output, but here you can see got the variable names as call1, call2, call3. Okay. So now we have to tell SAS that to give the variable names by using this test test variable. Okay. In the test variable, we have the this BP, DIBP, and HR. By using this, name this call1, call2, call3 variable. Okay. So for that, we have a statement called ID. So in the ID, we will give the variable test. So by using this test result value, here is BP, DIBP, HR. This call1, call2, call3 variables are renamed. Okay. Now, if I run this code, you can see here this was renamed with this BP, DIBP, and HR. Okay. So you can see here the label was not assigned to this. So if we want here in the data, we also have the a variable called testd. So if we want to this testd values to assign the label for this BP and IPP. So for that we can give a statement called id label. So in this we have to give this variable name. So it will assign the labels to the variables. This variables it will assign this label. Okay. You can see the labels are assigned for this variable. Okay. So id statement is used to convert from vertical to horizontal. Okay. In the id statement, we have given the name called tested. So this test values are present in vertical. So these are converted into horizontal. Okay. So now we converted the data from horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal. So any doubts in this?
No.
Yeah. Here we have a variable called underscore name underscore. So we will not use this variable. So simply we can give this variable drop. And that variable was drop. I will take another example. Just wait a minute. Here I'm adding upper variable for int. Here I created a data set. See this data present in horizontal or vertical.
Horizontal.
Yeah, horizontal.
Sorry, sorry. This is vertical. Sir, three records per.
No,
I
no,
mean,
no. We have the data in horizontal. You can see the result values that present in horizontal. Okay. So,
okay.
so subject came for multiple days for test results. We have three observations by the subject. So
Okay.
that the data present in horizontal. So we want to convert this horizontal data into vertical data. Now, in the where statement, we have to give the result values. Okay. So whatever the variables we are giving this in the where statement, we have to give only the result values. the best is use ID. So you can see here the data work.ds is not sorted in ascending sequence. Okay, it's showing an error because whatever we are using in by statement variable, the data should be sorted based on this variable. Okay, so to sort the data, what can we use? What should we use to sort the data?
Now we can use like proc sort or sort by
Sort
digit
data
dot by ID digit.
data should sort the no issues here. Something happened. You can see in the log we do not have any errors, but the output data we got is it transposed correctly or we have any issues. We got here the result value came here missing, but in our data set there are no missing for result values. We got this like because we have the no, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Better now.
Here you can see here we got the data missing. Do it transpose it correctly or not? Here,
I think value are missing
yeah,
something.
we got missing, right? Because
Yes.
while we are doing transpose, first we have to check two things. First thing is the data should be sorted by using this by variables, and another one is we should not have any duplicate values by this by variable. Okay, by ID and digit, we should not have any duplicate values. Okay, first let's open this sorted data set. That is VS1. So in the VS1 we can see 101 10. Okay, 101 20. Okay, so here you can see 101 20 101 20. We have two observations. So we have duplicates here based on the by variables. Okay, so while transposing the data, it should not contain any duplicate values. So we can also check duplicate values by giving here mode key and just check in the log. You can see we have three observations with duplicate key values, right? So so now what we have to do means we have to increase the by variable values. So here I give a by variable value that is dt. So now let's check by using these three variables is still we have the data with duplicate values or not. Now you can see zero observations with duplicate values. Previously we have three observations with duplicate values. Okay, so that's why we are getting this error. Not no error, but it do not transpose correctly. So we have to increase the by
Voice
variable.
not clear, sir. Voice is breaking.
Just wait.
Voice breaks.
Okay, just wait a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please confirm? Hello?
Yes, sir. Better now. Yes, sir. Better now.
Yeah, okay. So by using this by variables, our data should not contain any duplicate values. So previously we have given the by variables only ID and digit, right? So by ID and digit, we have duplicate values here. Okay, 101 20 101 20. Okay, and here also 102 10 102 102 10. Okay, we should not contain duplicate values while we are doing transpose. So we have to check twicely because we are not getting any error. Okay, so without checking this, we cannot find is our data is got correctly or not. So usually if we get any error, we can see simply seeing that error node, we can say we got error. So we should increase the by variables. But here we are not getting any error. We have to check the output data, and also we have to in Proc sort we have to give the node tree and check if the data have any duplicate values by the by variables. So you can see here in our data there are three observations with duplicate values. Okay, so we first we have to increase the by variables and make sure our data is unique by using this by variable values. Okay, now in the log you can see there are no duplicate values. Okay, do you understand this point? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand.
Yeah, okay. So here also we should increase the by variables. No errors in log. And let's open this data set. Yeah. Now you can see we got the transposed correctly. Okay. So here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations, and we have each observation after transposing into vertical, we will get 3 observations. 3? No, we will get only 2 because we have result values only 2, right? In the where we are given only 2 variables. So each observation will get 2 observations. So each subject will have 2 observations after transposing. So 10 into 2, 20. So in the log, you can see we have 20 observations. So for one observation for SBP, one observation for DBP. SBP, DBP, SBP, DBP. Okay. So now we will give, yeah, so it was renamed with the test. Is the date, and we transfer from horizontal to vertical. So any issues in the Proc transpose or or any statements in this Proc transpose?
No. Sir, it will difficult to sir know which is the vertical or horizontal. So
Yeah,
seems like horizontal, but it can be in vertical also sometimes.
by checking the number of
So what is the way to identify?
checking the number of observations, we should not tell if it vertical or horizontal. So first we have to check the result variable values. So in this, the result values are SBP and DBP, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suppose if we have data like this, SBP and DBP as a value level,
Okay.
as a value
Okay.
level,
Okay. Okay.
now we can say it was in vertical.
Vertical.
Now
Yes. Yes.
when this was in as a variable, we can say this was horizontal.
Okay, sir.
No doubts in this side.
No, sir. I don't have an doubt.
Okay, I will explain the task that I have given, that is date imputation.
Yes, sir.
So here, so first we have to do, if day is missing, we have to add 0, 1. If day and month is missing, we have to add 0, 1, Jan, right? And if everything is missing, date, month, year, we have to keep missing. Okay. So we should not disturb this. So if we, while writing in the condition, we should not, our
Yes,
condition
yes,
should
sir.
not, our condition should not modify this whole missing value. Means first we have to write condition on this observation only. For all missing, we have to write condition. So to check if the data is missing, everything is missing, what can we do? What is the difference between the these all observations and these observations? Here we do not have any day, date, month and year, right? Means here we do not have any numeric numbers. So for that we have a function called any digit. So what is the function? It shows any digit. What the any digit
Uh,
function returns us.
if it is at any digit, it will return
So
the value.
any digit it returns the first position of the
Yes,
numeric number, right? Digit number. So
yes.
we have to write condition by using the function if any digit dt equal to 0. So in all this observation not have any digits, right? So this condition will apply for this, like this observation. So like this, if we have thousands of observations, with all observations will cover if we write this small code. So we have to write code like this. Okay. We should not write condition directly if dt equal to uk, unkk. We should not write like that. We have to write condition like this. If any digit dt equal to 0, then date equal to missing. Okay. So it was, we cannot visible this missing value. Yeah. If I give here any a, you can see it will come a only for you this way, this observation. Okay. Means it applied correctly. Any digit dt equal to 0, then date equal to missing. So next we have to apply condition on for month and date missing, because if we directly apply condition on only date missing, it will also change modify here also. Okay. I write if substrate of dt 1 comma 2 is equal to un, then I will change into I'm changing to 0 1. So it will also change 0 1 to for date and month missing value also no. So we should not write condition like this. Do you understand what I'm trying to do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next we have to write condition on month and date missing. So first use help it, help it, help it, help it, substrate of dt comma 1 comma we have to have 5
Five.
characters. comma 5 equal to UK UNK. Date equal to 01 Jan. So here we are adding 01 Jan, and we also concatenate this year also. So we can use 5 symbol, or else we can use static also here. So concatenating the best year of. So we have to concatenate from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6 question, right? So from 6th to end. So if we leave it like this, it will start from here and it will select all this. We can also give here 4 characters, or else we can left by giving only the second what we say second position. We call it.
UN, UNK. I think you were given UK, UNK something. UN, UNK. Hmm.
So it was coming only one. So let's try by giving length is this new variable. It is right. So then we know we got 01 Jan 2020.
Yes.
Here we can also give third argument. We can also give for the still we get same output without giving multiple. We get same output. Second argument is enough. So next, now per month and the date is over. So next we have only date missing. So for date missing we have UK and UNK. Both we have the missing value representing with UK and UK and UN. So we can write both in one condition only. Else is published clear of UT comma 1 comma 2 in UK UN. So when we write when we have multiple, we can give like this. Right?
Okay, sir. Sir, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. DT 1 comma 2.
One comma.
LCP.
Purpose. Mistakenly, I put the third digit. Okay, no problem. It is 01 concatenate with So here, what should we give?
Subject here. Date of we can give 3, 1 comma
Three
3
to
direct.
no need to give the other argument also.